what I ate today video. I am having chia seed pudding. It's got like 4 or 5 ingredients. Let's see, it's coconut milk, almond milk, chia seed, and banana, and some stevia. My daughter makes this, and she does such a nice job with it. It's really yummy. And so yeah, this is what is for breakfast, and I will get back for lunchtime. Hi guys, it's lunchtime, and I am so excited to try my lunch today. I've been wanting to make a caprese sandwich. I think I'm pronouncing that wrong. Caprese? Anyway, it's basically soft mozzarella, basil, and tomato, and I purchased the bun here from my local grocery store, and I'm sure you can get that in like by the deli area, the bakery, if you guys want to check that out in your local supermarket. And then the creamy stuff that I have on the bottom there is this. It's the jalapeno artichoke and jalapeno dip. So today is lots of jalapeno, I guess. Anyway, okay, we'll see you back for snack time. Guys, welcome back for snack time. I am having jalapeno artichoke dip from Costco. I had that also on my sandwich at lunchtime, and it was so good I had to come back for more. And then I'm having these corn chips. They're from Costco. And there's sea salt, multi-grain tortilla chips. So anyway, just having a serving of that. And then also I had a little lick of frosting because I just filmed a Valentine, yes, right there's the frosting, a Valentine cupcake recipe. So be looking for that. See you back for dinner time. I forgot to film, but I ate half of a cupcake. So I'm just showing you the cupcake, but I had only half of it. Okay, we'll be back for dinner. Okay guys, here's dinner. It is just lettuce and crab salad that I made, just imitation crab and mayo, and then some nori seasoning, and then nori seaweed I just crumbled right on top. So that's what's for dinner, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.